Hello, I'm Roman. Welcome back to a series of the videos learning Golang, where I'm taking a deep dive into the tour of Go and going through all of the chapters, all of the pages, and experimenting with all of the things mentioned in here about the Golang. And okay, so in the previous video where are we? Right now we're at readers. In the previous video, I think we went from the pointer receiver up to the readers. So we checked the exercise of the stringers implementation. We checked what I would say how the Go interfaces are different from all other interfaces that I used to work with. Yeah, and just need to no. Okay, so we go in next. We have readers. The io package, I think the io is input output, well, usually. Package specifies the io.Reader interface, which represents the reader, the read end, which represent the read end of a stream data. Okay. Oh, come on. Why? No, this. Yes. Reader is an interface that wraps the basic read methods. Reader reads up to the length p. Up to length p into the p. So we need to pass something. Okay, let's read. The Go standard library contains many implementations of this interface, including files, network connections, compressors, zippers, and others. Zippers, right? The io.Reader interface has the read method, funct read bytes. The read populates the given byte slice with the data and returns the number of the bytes populated and error value it return, and a io.io end of file, I think, error when the stream ends. Okay, so it's kind of okay. The example code creates a strings reader and consumes its output 8 bytes at a time. Okay, so we have a new string reader. We have the slice of 8 elements of the byte. And so what we do, we have an infinite loop. And what we do, we read 8 bytes and we print them, right? So I think this is printing the value. So what we have the number, we have the error, and then we have the p, which is the what is here. Then we print, then we take the n number from the, I'm not sure what is this. Okay, let me take a look. Oh, okay, so it's a way to convert it. Okay, so we have 8 symbols, 8 characters from the whole reader. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should return 6, correct? Then it returns 0. And then we break because okay, we have an end of the file error, which means that I mean, it's technically not an error, right? But I guess it could return different types of the errors, and it's just a way to check if we reach the end of the reading stream. But that could be, for example, if you need, for example, if you have a big file that you need to read in chunks because you don't want to read it once into the memory because, I don't know, you don't have enough memory. And we can read, for example, by 1 megabytes of string and do some processing and then go over and over, something like this. Implement a reader type that emits an infinite stream of ASCII character A. Reader validates my reader. I need to ask. Okay, so this one, right? So we need to have this, which will be my reader, right? Will it compile? Returns 0 io. Example undefined io. Okay, probably I don't need it. No, for this task I mean. Can't use my reader. Okay, so it has the value receiver. Okay. This is still kind of confuses me. Okay, reader and okay. Implement a reader type that emits an infinite stream of ASCII character A. Okay. Okay, we have the character. Wait, it emits. Okay, so I need to take the len of P, right? And then for 0 L less than L plus plus, what I need to do, I should assign this. That's it. Imported but not used. Okay, what else? Invalid cannot index R. Yes, because it's P. Can't use CR as the byte. Okay. Will it be enough just to take, come on, byte? Will it be enough? Missing return. Oh, correct. L nil. Can convert CR of type string to the type byte. ASCII character A. What if I do this and I don't need it actually? Oh, yeah. So it looks like here there is a difference between the character and the string, right? Based on how you quote it. Okay, exercise ROT13 reader. A common pattern is an io reader that wraps another io reader modifying the stream in some way. For example, the zip new reader function takes an io reader, a stream of compressed data, and returns a gzip and returns a pointer to the gzip.reader. It also implements io reader, a stream of decompressed data. Okay, so basically we're providing a stream that will read the zip from somewhere, and it returns the io reader that returns the unzipped data. Implement a ROT13 reader that implements io reader and reads from io reader, modifying the stream by applying the ROT13 substitution cipher to all alphabetical characters. Alphabetical. Okay. The ROT13 reader type is provided for you. Make it an io reader by implementing. Okay. Let me clean up things a little bit. Okay, what is rotate by 13% times. Okay, description. The piece of text mirror requires examining alphabetical characters and replacing each one by the letter 13 places further along in the alphabet. Wrapping back to the beginning if necessary. A becomes N, B becomes 0, so up to M, which becomes that, then the sequence continuing at the beginning of an alphabet. N becomes A, it becomes B, so on. Okay, input. Okay, so basically we need to shift by 13 characters. And how would you do? Well, first we have the So, okay, there is a io.Reader. Make it an io.Reader by implementing. Okay, so we have the route 13, and it's this one, right? Okay, so we have the len of p, and then we return. I think we would not have any errors. Oh no, actually, I don't know the number, right? Like this. I just don't know if all of the data will be passed all at once or it will be passed in the chunks. I'm not sure. Okay, I will start from this. Okay, so what we have, what we can do this for I equal to range p, right? And we need to have the, oh, I need to fill up the, okay, so the source will be, oops, io.Reader. Okay, so wait, I just need to test a couple of things. Println r.r.read, right? And here we'll have the byte array, which I need to populate, right? And that could be any slice. I can do this, right? What we're going to do? So we're doing an infinite loop, right? And equal to 0. And what we're doing, we need to read r equal to r.read from the stream, right? Then we have the data, and then if r equal to till end of line, we should break, right? N plus equal nn, like this. And to be honest, I'm not sure. Okay, pending, because I need to kind of bypass. Okay, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. We're doing this. We have the p equal to, what do we have? We have b eta plus 13, right? So we shift forward, but we have 26. If is bigger than 26, then we do this. So we take this value and we subtract 26, right? Not sure. Imported no new variables on the left side. 17. Really? Okay, total. Let's call it like this. Oh, because it's the named one. Right. And let's take a look. Okay. And what was the string? No. I think we should decode it, right? Okay, let's debug it. I'm not sure. I don't think this is what is expected. Print. I want to see what I read. right? And I want to see what I created and then have some separator. What do you mean? Print. Okay, so the L, because there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, that function is its own inverse. Wait. Only those letters which are called in English alphabet are affected. Numbers, symbols, punctuations, white spaces, and all other characters are left unchanged. Okay, so I should not change this one. But okay, I have L 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, right. A. Oh, it's an uppercase to lowercase. Could be. By the way, I think I need to read. I need to read first and then do this make byte by the number that we read before. Then we can. Oh no, actually. Wait, can I just do this? Okay. There is a byte of A, but I actually need to do this, right? Yes. Then there is a question of uppercase and downcase. Crack the code. Okay, almost. So I need to. Okay, I'm going to define two ranges. So I have the range of lowercase min, which is wait, maybe there are uppercase min, which is byte from A, uppercase max, which is bytes of that, and then I do the same for lowercase and lowercase max, then A and Z. Okay, func is lowercase, but byte pool, right? So basically we should return if the C is bigger or equal than byte from small a, right? Or if it's less than equal from byte of that, right? Most likely there are those functions, but it's not is uppercase. I want to do stuff on this level. Okay. If is uppercase PNI and this one, and it's bigger than this, or is lowercase and oh, it's not okay. Okay, so we will need actually different logics here. Not this one. Okay, so we overflowed from this. We need to find the diff, which will be the minus byte that, right? And then we need to byte a plus div, right? And same here. Okay, ly should be fine, right? Ly, okay. We have the b. Oh, I have this output b. There is o, right? But for some reason I changed it to v big. It's lowercase, and there is always, you have, you know, type of the tasks that you don't like or you're very bad. I always have troubles with, you know, some algorithms on top of the strings. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Uppercase. Okay, it's uppercase, but it doesn't go out of this. U, and then okay, B H U H U, okay, space, okay. If we're doing only or this, yeah, I'm kind of, there's definitely needs a refactoring, but I mean, why I don't like it? Okay, there is an issue with check for the lowercase. Some reasons it's empty. Yes, because this one. Okay, space is space, then P. Okay, so this one is weird. Okay, is lowercase, but oh, okay. I need to check the original and what check. Okay, so I need to check if it's a lowercase for the original value and check that the new value is overloaded. Yes. Okay. Okay, then I need to understand why problems I have with, okay, so this 3. P becomes D. Almost. +1. Right? Okay, U. P becomes, it's actually -1. You crack the code. Okay. Oh, that was interesting. Okay, as I told before, for some reasons I always have this problem with the string algorithms, and every time, well, in the past when I did the interviews into some companies, and when it was the task on the strings, I didn't like them. But okay, I think there should be seems no. Looks like there is no API for this, but okay, let's clean up a little bit. The namings could be much better. But that was fun. Okay. Images. Well, that's I enjoy working with. Images is much more interesting than the strings, but package image defines the image interface. Here I worked with this one a little bit on the neural networks from scratch series. The only thing I didn't like that it's kind of, I had to do some, you know, this type assertions to understand if it's, for example, RGB or the grayscale. I mean, I didn't like the API that much, but I mean, okay. The returnable value returns value of the bounds method is actually an image.rectangle, as the declaration is inside the image package. Okay, bounds is the rectangle. This is documentation for more details. The color.color and the color.model types are also interfaces, but we'll ignore that by using the predefined implementation of the color.rgb and color.rgba model. These interfaces are types are specified by the image/color package. RGB color, but the width and height, yeah. And these were getting the color in RGBA color space. And it returns 4 values, which is red, green, blue, and alpha channel. Remember the picture generator we wrote earlier? Let's write another one, but this time it will return an implementation of image.image instead of a slice of data. Define your own image type, implement the necessary method, and call pick show image. Bound should return an image.rectangle like this one. Color model should return RGBA model. Head should return a color with the V value in the last picture generator corresponds to VV200 in this one. Okay, so we have the image, all necessary. What are the necessary methods? Okay, we have, okay, seems I have to go because I'm babysitting right now and looks like the kid is waking up. So yeah, thank you for watching and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.